Mr. Speaker, this morning in a stunning decision, the Supreme Court of Canada has struck down a criminal code requirement that sex offenders be automatically added to the sex offender registry. This should terrify every woman, every victim of sexual assault, and every parent in this country. We cannot spare a moment to fix this massive public safety issue. What will the Liberals do to guarantee that every single sex offender is always on the National Sex Offender Registry?
The Honourable Minister of Justice and Attorney General.
Mr. Speaker, I thank the honourable member for his question. Obviously, we as a government stand in support of survivors of sexual assault, sexual violence, and it is important that our criminal justice system treat and punish offenders in the system. We have the Supreme Court decision this morning. It is complex. There are a couple of different aspects to it, Mr. Speaker. We are looking at it carefully, and we're looking at options in terms of how to move forward.
The honourable member for Stormont Dundas South Glengarry.
Any woman, any victim of a sexual assault, and every parent in this country should be very concerned about that lack of a definitive statement to say we are going to guarantee that every single sex offender in this country is always automatically listed on the sex offender registry. Absolutely. That should be a given, and that should be an easy statement for the minister to commit to this House to fix this problem immediately. I will ask again, what will he do and these Liberals do to ensure that every single sex offender, repeat or not, is always on the sex offender registry? This should be a given.
Yeah. The Honourable Minister of Justice.
Mr. Speaker, last spring, when it was a question of the extreme intoxication defence, I moved immediately to make sure that we had legislation in this House to fix that gap. Mr. Speaker, these are complex issues. The decision came down this morning. There are a number of different important and different aspects to the decision. We will support victims, Mr. Speaker. We will look at the possible options that we have moving forward, and we will move forward, Mr. Speaker.